Okay, so today we're here on Carnival Encounter and I'm about to do the room tour of cabin 5236. Okay, so once your cabins are ready, you will come along and in the pocket out the front here, you'll have your cards for the cabin. All right, so these ones are just a insert in there and come on in. All right. Okay, so when you first come in your cabin, you'll always find your plan here on the back of the door. That basically tells you where you are on the ship, so you know when you're getting out, whether you're going left or whether you're going right. Also a reminder of your muster station here, and then photos on how to do your life vests. Main light switches are here at the front door as well. Nice full-length mirror, and that's the one good thing I do love about this ship is that, you know, you can be standing right back in here in your wardrobe and see your full length. So that's great. Up here you've got your life jackets. Just make sure that you've got enough for the number of people in your cabin. Lots of hangers. You can always ask your cabin steward if there are not enough in your room and you need more, especially if you're doing something a bit longer. Sometimes you might need a few more. Great little storage here. I do like this because we can, once we've unpacked our suitcases, then we can store them in here. You leave your shoes and everything in there. And you've got this whole area up here as well. So plenty of storage. Along with that, you do have this cupboard here as well. That has your safe in it. It does have all the instructions on adding your own PIN code to that. So, you know, pop your valuables, your passports, your wallets, keys. But just remember to grab them on the way out. All right. Okay, so we're going to go into the bathroom. So you'll firstly note on the back of the door here, you've got two hangers. We like to use them for our hanging toiletry bags, but there are extra ones to hang your towels on as well. All right, coming into the bathroom. Anyone who has ever watched any of our videos about cabins on this ship will know that this is the biggest bugbear of Matt's life. Shower curtains. Shower curtains. Boo. Boo. Anyway, we're going to deal with it. This one's a short cruise, so you'll be all right. You'll be all right. All right, you got your nozzle up here. You also have your little pull-out clothesline, so you can just hang your swimmers and that over there when you get back from the pool if you like. You've got, it's just a basic hair and body wash pretty much. So it's up to you whether or not you like to use those things. I usually find the body wash isn't too bad, but I'll let you know at the end of this video. Oh, on our review, sorry, should I say. Handles in the shower, which is great, as Noah said, for the elderly. But I tell you what, if the ship's rocking, they're a great thing to hang on to. Yep. So it just gives you a little bit more stability. All right, you've got toilet, towels, hand towels, all in there. In here, you've got some shelving with a couple of glasses and a shaver port and just some hand wash there. Down underneath, just a little bit more storage, and your bin is there also. And the lighting's not too bad. I don't find that that's too bad at all. Okay, so we head now into the main area of the cabin. You've got your air conditioning unit here. Obviously, you can adjust it to the temperature that you like. You can go hotter if you wish, but definitely not in this cabin. We go down to the coldest it can possibly go. All right, so let's come around to the desk area here. So you've got some shelving on the end here, and then you've got 3 drawers here also. Oh, that one's a little bit off. Anyway, I'll have a look at that one. All right, on your desk, when you first get here, you will have all the information regarding what dining plan you have, if you have created that one, or if you've got any bookings. You'll have the fun times, anything good to know, and I haven't even read that letter yet, but I'm thinking that's just an overall, yes, letter there. Yeah, you got your phone, so you can call between cabins, you can call for room service, concierge, whatever it is that you would like. Hairdryer. That's quite strong. Matt, you might use that.
I will.
No one will use it. All right, you've got your 2 Australian ports there.
Mm-hmm.
And 2 US ports underneath.
Excellent. Over here you've got your TV, safety videos playing. They'll always ask you to watch that on your first day. Then after that you've got different movies that'll come on, or you've got even just the view of the front of the ship. So, okay, also here on your desk you will see that there's bottles of water on here. Now it does depend on what colour card you have, what level tier you are, as to what is included. So like I think we're on red currently, so we get a 1.5 litre bottle each. Anything else in here is charged to your room. All right, now before I get down in and under here, I'm just going to show you. So I don't know if we knew that this was going to be 3 single beds. Really not sure about that one. But anyway, we're splitting up.
Splitting up.
We're splitting up on this one.
So Noah is with us on this cruise.
Yes. So
so this is a quad cabin. So,
yeah.
And we'll take you through the beds a little bit more in a moment.
Yeah, I'll just quickly show you while I'm over here. This is basically your cooler box. They're never like icy cold, but that is actually lovely and cool. So perfect. So yeah, put anything you like there, soft drinks, yeah, wines, beers, whatever it might be.
And we usually keep that door ajar.
Yeah, we do, just to get a little bit of that heat. Although that is actually really lovely and cool at the moment. I'll let that go shut for now. All right, so yeah, let's get back to these beds. Yeah, so this room obviously is a 4-berth. These are how the beds are if you're not using, like if there's 4 people in here, obviously this one would fold down. But yeah, it's gonna be interesting. Don't have to fight for sheets on this one.
Yay!
All right, so over here, you've obviously got 2 more of your main switches. You've got your lamps here, and you do have a USB socket in both of those lamps, which is great. I do love that.
Just the USB-A though.
Yes. And then you've got your couple of drawers next to the bed here as well. And then a nice big mirror behind there as well. Over here on top of this bunk bed, that is actually the light for that person. So they can obviously have their own light. That'll be for Noah. And there'd be one on the other side there as well. All right, so that is our cabin tour of 5236 here on Carnival Encounter. We will come to you at the end of our cruise and we'll do a review, let you know if there was anything that didn't work or that we didn't like, anything like that. But for now, if you do like this video, please hit like and subscribe. There will be another bunch of videos up here at the moment, so click on them if you'd like to watch something else of ours. But for now, we'll see you in the next video.